Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3R photo size in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make photo size 3R, go to the blank page. Then go to the tool section and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file and click open. Then place this picture. Now we want to make this picture size 3R. Select this picture and enable the transform option and go to the transform and write the height 3.5 and width 5. Then press enter. Then zoom in this document and we can see we make the picture size 3R very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.